Hello, my dear friends, respected guest speakers, teachers in life sciences, founder members, and pioneer members of Botany for You, dear research scholars and students. It gives me an immense pleasure to share this online platform for the students of life sciences Botany for You on occasion of 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences part 3. This event was started and inaugurated in the month of July 2020. And till today, already 32 lectures on CSIR UGC NET JRFLS preparation have been made available on our YouTube channel Botany for You. I am very much confident about the content and quality of the lectures posted earlier, and also equally hopeful regarding the usefulness of these lectures for the students of life sciences in preparation of their CSIR UGC NET examination. Myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder Botany for You, and is working as Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcomes you all in this 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in Life Sciences Part 3, scheduled from 21st to 23rd September 2020. Every lecture in this workshop is unique in its composition for the matter and presentation, and will definitely help the student in life sciences in preparation of CSIR UGC NET examination. On first day, we have 4 lectures, of which the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Deepak Koche, founder member Botany for You, and is Professor, Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, on applications of biotechnology in industrial sector. He is having more than 20 years of teaching and research experience in the field of plant sciences. He is recipient of 2 gold medals and also awarded with Professor L.B. Kajade Memorial Prize. He has completed 5 research projects and 2 students have awarded with PhD degree under his able guidance. He has published 44 research papers in peer-reviewed journals of national and international repute and 3 in various conferences proceedings. His 9 research papers, articles are published in different edited books, and also he is author for 5 books. He has 1 patent to his credit. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Sunita Panikar, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Dr. D.Y. Patil, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pimpri, Pune, on DNA sequencing methods. Madam has 6 years of teaching experience and published 15 research papers in national and international journals, and also she is an author of 2 books. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. Amit Ballani, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, Natubhai V. Patel, College of Pure and Applied Sciences, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Anand, Gujarat, on Basics in Immunology. Dr. Amit is awarded with Best Teacher Award by CVM and having 5 research papers and 3 books as published literature to his name. He is hardworking, kind, cooperative and student-oriented teacher in the field of life sciences. The fourth lecture will be delivered by very young, dynamic and enthusiastic teacher Mr. Abhimanyu Maheshwari, who is working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Bajaj College of Science, Wardha, on stress physiology of plants. Mr. Abhimanyu is first merit student in his MSc, and he has published 10 research papers in national and international journals. He is a budding teacher in the field of life sciences. On second day of this workshop, the first lecture will be delivered by Mr. Shilanand Hivrale, who is working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Vinayak Vignan Mahavidyalay, Nandgaon, Khandeshwar, Amravati, on respiration. Mr. Shilanand have 8 times qualified CSIR UGC NET JRF examination in life sciences, and he has published 2 research papers in international journals. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Savita Mishra. Madam is working as principal in Vidyasagar College of Education, Darjeeling, West Bengal, on biodiversity, importance and conservation. Madam has more than 25 research of teaching experience, and she has published 75 research papers, 21 books, and 2 students are awarded with PhD degree under her able guidance. 1 patent and 1 copyright are also to her credit as a feather of success. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. Vivek Narkhedkar, he is working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, MJF Commerce and Science and VR Arts College, Batukli, Amravati, Maharashtra. On conformation of nucleic acids, Dr. Vivek is a budding teacher in life sciences and he has published 4 research papers and 2 books. He is awarded with Professor P.H. Gregory Award by Indian Archaeological Society, and also he is a recipient of Best Research Paper Award and Best Research Poster Award. He writes on science news and articles for national and international journals and magazines. The 4th lecture will be delivered by Mr. Shubham Rathod, who is pioneer member of Botany for You and is working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, on protein sorting and targeting. He is also a budding teacher in life sciences and is working on wild vegetable for his PhD research. On the 3rd day of this workshop, the first lecture will be delivered by me on problems in genetics that are frequently asked in the examination. Usually 2 questions are asked on this topic of Module 16. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Jasmine P. Lena, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Biochemistry, Prince Shri Venkateshwara Arts and Science College, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, on control of gene expression in prokaryotes. Madam is serving as HOD for the past 11 years and also worked as coordinator of DMLT course in Women Empowerment Cell. She has published 11 research papers in national and international journals. The third lecture will be delivered by Mr. Nilesh Athavle, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, PSG VPM's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shahada, Nandurbar, on photoperiodism and biological clock. Mr. Nilesh has published 9 research papers in national and international journals. The 4th lecture is postponed due to the hospitalized at speaker's home, but his lecture will be included in our next national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences, part 4, which is scheduled from 19th to 21st October 2020. One more thing I would like to share with you that soon in next week, we are going to organize 3 days life sciences discussion forum coordinated by Dr. Nishikant Vase, founder member Botany for You, and is working as senior scientist, University of Virginia School of Medicine, Charlottesville, Virginia, US, from 28th to 30th September 2020. The details will be soon published on 23rd September 2020 in the form of booklet. And also Dr. Nishikant will provide the complete details regarding its aim, objectives and future plans in this regard in his introductory remark on 28th of September 2020. Friends, like earlier workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences, this will also make you aware with some new topics and also help you in preparation of examination. So stay home, stay safe and watch all the videos of lectures posted in this event in all 3 days and enjoy the knowledge feast with Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences. Best of luck for your preparation for this examination, and also thanks a lot for your kind support and cooperation, and also looking forward to such nice support in future in the form of likes, share and subscription to our YouTube channel Botany for You. This will definitely help us in organization of variety of lectures on various topics for every stakeholders in life sciences. Thank you very much once again.